You need highly developed professional makeup. Sorry.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. That would genuinely mean a lot to me. I am currently enrolled in a fashion college, so मैं अपनी आप बीती भली भांति बता दूंगी आपको, and then you can judge for yourself if this field is for you. I jotted down the points in sync with my experience so far. I have completed 2 semesters in my fashion college, so a lot of people think कि fashion colleges में काम बहुत कम मिलता है. You know, these children are way too free and they have a lot of time to bunk. They have a lot of time to drink, they have a lot of time to do party and go to clubs and whatnot.
Oh my god.
It's not the truth, I'm telling you, it's not the truth. Alright, so talking about assignments, as I said, मैंने 1 साल complete कर लिया है अपने fashion college में, and if I think of my first semester, I have lost count of the number of assignments our teachers gave us, my teachers gave me. For the next point, a lot of people say and think that fashion colleges or in general the fashion stream has very limited career options, which is not true. You can be a fashion designer, a fashion curator, a fashion stylist, an advisor, creative head, and whatnot. This field has endless career options. Okay, so next, in continuation with the first point, people think that we have a lot of time in our hands to kill. If I consider the fact that my 2 semesters have been on an online mode, I would still say we do not have time. Like, we have a really hectic schedule from 9 to 4 or 6, maybe 7, who knows, since we have some additional subjects apart from the mainstream ones. Since we need an abundant amount of ideas, we always keep on thinking, we keep on jotting down the ideas, since who knows what idea can be a masterpiece. So yes, we do not have time for the next part, which is quite interesting yet wrong. You need highly developed professional makeup. You need highly developed professional drawing skills, which is so wrong. You can have moderate skills and yet you can do very well in a fashion college. Okay, so the next part is quite interesting. So I have come across people who say कि fashion colleges के बच्चे, they have a very glamorous life in their campus. They go to pubs, they go to bars, they drink, they smoke, they dance, they are highly fashionable, they do a lot of makeup, and they walk on ramps and they have a lot of fashion shows all day, all night. हमें जब काम से, असाइनमेंट से, सेमेस्टर से, मिड टर्म, एंड टर्म, जूरी से टाइम मिलेगा, तभी तो हम ये सब करेंगे ना यार. The next point is a widely renowned misconception that the fashion stream is in no way comparable.
Is that even a word?
So a lot of people say that fashion is an easy stream and that it can be pursued by anyone who has literally no knowledge or maybe some knowledge of clothes and all. Fashion is not just about clothes, so let's begin with that. Since I completed my 11th and 12th in science stream, I can tell you that fashion and science stream have no comparison. So people think science and commerce are the only streams that are difficult, but I must tell you, you are wrong, very wrong on the point. A fashion student needs to have a clear understanding of colors, textile, trends, stitches, what else? And AI as well, that is artificial intelligence. We have to work on softwares we haven't touched our whole life since we have to submit assignments by working on them. These misconceptions have made one thing crystal clear, that people lack the right information and the right education regarding different streams and the importance or the vastness of the streams, which is why people sort of segregate the streams and keep one in a very difficult and highly desirable stream and the other in a, you know what I mean, right? In case you have any further questions, please tell me in the comments down below. I would love to answer them or yet make a video on them. Until next time, take care. Bye.